using my Warcry terrain here, and it's, oh my god, it is a lot. I have 50% still in the pack, and I was thinking, should I make something custom for my Shadespire board? But then I see the spaces where it's fitting very nice into the spaces, so I don't have to go in and make my own terrain out of it, kit batches. This is already ready to put on the board and ready to Shadespire. So yeah, this Warcry box, it's giving so much. It's just really good economy to just buy it, and good counters on it too, and yeah, anyways, just a little hey guys, look at this. All right, bye now.